everybody. Today I'm trying to get my dad's old 8N started. Moved up here about 2 years ago and really haven't had much of an issues with it once I found out what a positive ground was. So once I got over that, I really haven't had any issues. Today when I try to start it, all I'm getting is a buzzing sound. I've looked up a few solutions online, probably something to do with some battery connections, possibly my battery. So I'm going to test that. I'm going to clean a few things and hopefully we can get it going. First I'm going to show you the buzzing sound it makes. I'm not sure if you can hear that buzzing, but that's not what you want to hear. So not only am I think I'm not getting enough power, I also think there's something wrong with my starter button here. I might try to bypass that as I'm troubleshooting some stuff. So now I'm going to clean up the terminals, clean up the battery, clean up the cables, and try again. You probably think my issue is this jacked up terminal here. But I'll be honest, that's looked that bad since last year. And I haven't had any problems with it now, so I'm being a little cheap there, but I do plan on replacing that. Right now I'm going to clean this battery up because it looks like it got leaked water or something. Clean those terminals and see if that does it before I start tearing into anything else. Yeah, those terminals are gross. I'm hoping that's my issue. I don't know what happened there. I had this battery on a tender all winter, but I don't know, I guess gunk just built up from moisture in my basement, I don't know. Really hoping the issue was just the battery posts. Still going to clean inside there just to make sure, since I'm going through the trouble. I'm sure it couldn't hurt. Alright, so I cleaned them up good. I don't know that this is going to be the fix, but I'm hoping. Alright, let's give it a shot. Well, it did stall out on me, but I'll work on that later. That might just be because it needs to run through a little bit and warm up. But luckily that was an easy fix. One thing I suggest if you're new to these machines, definitely look up Bruce Haynes' 75 tips for owning an 8N. It really can help you from spending a lot of money if you don't know what you're doing, like I do. Yeah, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, if it was at all helpful, please like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks.